Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect yolk eggs. Achieving a beautiful runny yolk starts with selecting the freshest eggs available at your local market. You will also need a medium-sized saucepan, a slotted spoon, and a reliable kitchen timer. Having everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable, leading to consistent results every single time. Good preparation is truly the first step to culinary success. Bring a pot of water to a full, rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once the water is vigorously boiling, gently lower your eggs into the pot one by one using a slotted spoon. This prevents cracking and ensures even cooking. Avoid overcrowding the pot, as this can drop the water temperature significantly, affecting the cooking time and the desired yolk consistency. We want a consistent boil throughout. For that ideal jammy, yet still runny yolk, set your timer for exactly 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Begin timing the moment the eggs enter the boiling water. It is crucial to maintain a consistent boil throughout this period. Adjust your heat as needed to prevent the water from stopping its rolling boil. Precision here is key to achieving that wonderfully vibrant, soft center every single time. As soon as your timer goes off, carefully remove the eggs and immediately plunge them into a bowl of ice water. Let them cool there for at least 2 minutes. This stops the cooking process and prevents a green ring around the yolk. Once cooled, gently tap and roll each egg on a hard surface to crack the shell all over. Peel them under a slow stream of cool water for the easiest shell removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.